One of your recommendations is to eat higher glycemic foods like bananas and sweet potatoes post-workout. But does that mean the body is burning the carbs and not fat? Can we still be in fat burning mode? When you're working out, you're burning muscle glycogen. So that's the sugar that's stored in your muscles and in your liver. So when you're working out, you're burning into that. So that's why we need carbs to go back in to break you out of that catabolic mode. When I say catabolic, it means like muscle breakdown. So when your muscle stores are full, you can be more anabolic by building muscle. That's what we want to do after your workout. That sugar that's going into your body post-workout, you have that space in your muscle glycogen, your liver glycogen to fill back up again and not spill over into the fat cells. So yes, you're burning fat post-workout by still eating sugar. You're still in a fat burning mode. But if you're really obese or you're highly insulin resistant, extreme fat loss, carbs post-workout aren't necessary. But if your goal is like body recomp, so you want to burn fat and kind of build muscle, and you don't have that much fat, like I'm talking like 100 pounds of fat to lose, then yes, you get those carbs into your post-workout because you don't want to be losing muscle. You want to be maintaining muscle mass as well.
Exactly. Really, that's the main reason for having your carbs post-workout, is to assist you with muscle building so that you can burn more fat throughout the day. So it's not necessarily that you're burning carbs only at that time. You know, it's really more about the big picture of things, because you guys know to get lean, you need to build lean muscle on your body, and that turns you into a 24/7 fat burning machine. So don't worry necessarily about like when you're burning fat or when you're burning carbs. It's really like try to look at the big picture of it, and that's the reason why we recommend carbs post lifting, because it's for muscle repair.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I